Hello everyone, this is Isabelle. I'm at the Mplify Member Summit EMEA in Lisbon. And today I'm joined by another Isabelle Morency. She's Director Product Management at Mplify. Isabelle, bienvenue sur mon HOTShot.
Merci Isabelle. It's a pleasure for me to be here.
So Isabelle, NAS is seen as the future of connectivity. Do you think the industry has the right tools for it?
From my perspective, the industry already has the components for NAS. It has the connectivity services, the application assurance, it has the APIs already. What's missing are the tools to improve interoperability and trust between the different partners in the industry. And this is what Mplify brings to the industry. It brings standardization and certification.
And as NAS evolves network infrastructure toward on-demand services, what has forced Mplify to transform its certification program?
Yeah, we started in 2025 working on a new NAS certification program. And I could describe it using 3 words. It has unity, coherence, and continuity. Unity means that we have one framework and our 4 domains under our framework for connectivity, cybersecurity, APIs, and assurance. In terms of coherence, what we are doing is that we are bringing consistency in our branding and in our commercial terms for the 4 programs. And continuity is that we make sure that the existing certification can persist in the industry and that we have a clear path between the different phases of our certification programs.
And what can we expect for the future of your certification program? What's coming?
So what's coming? At Mplify, certification is part of our DNA. So this is what differentiates us from the other standards organization. So when we define the new standards for everything coming with AI, we pay a specific attention of making sure the requirements that we have in our standards are testable. And this is really our goal as we develop the new certification programs for connectivity services for AI, cybersecurity for AI, and agentic LSO.
A lot coming up that is very exciting. Thank you for a great interview again, Isabelle.
Thank you, Isabelle.
Everyone, thank you for watching, and until my next HOTShot.